come up with a formula for the area of this whole shape here. Okay. Yeah, and the height is A, and the length of this thing here is B. So all you're given is is A and B. So somehow come up with a formula for the area of this whole shape. So press pause and have a go. Okay, the thing is split this whole shape, because the shape is quite complicated. So split it up into easy parts. So here the area of the rectangle here would be A times B. So the area is AB, because you get the height and then you times by the length. That's the rectangle done. That's quite simple. This one here, well, imagine you have to work out the whole circle here, and then you split it into 4 equal parts. Then basically the radius of this circle here would be A, because if you look over here, the height here is A, so the radius here must also be A. And this, if you wanted to know, would also be A, because it's part of the radius of the circle. So let's concentrate on the area of this quarter of a circle here. So the formula for the area of a circle, so work out the whole circle first and then divide it by 4. The whole circle is pi A squared, because A is the radius in this case. Okay, and then you divide it by 4. So the area for this part here would be pi A squared over 4. The area for this part here is also pi A squared over 4. So the area of the whole purple parts would be well, get this part would be pi A squared over 4 plus this bit here, which is AB, plus this part here, well, which is this part here, will be pi A squared over 4. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So we can merge. Let's merge these two fractions together first. So this plus this. Let's merge these two together. So pi A squared over 4 plus pi A squared over 4. Well, that equals, well, because the two denominators are already the same, we can merge them. So really, it's going to be like this. Now, remember that you can imagine this as being like a lion here, timesing a tiger here. So this becomes a liger. Okay. So now this is your new entity. Now you've got a liger here, plus another liger here, so it would be 2 ligers. Okay, it would be 2 ligers here. If you don't understand this, watch the video on ligers ages ago. So here it would be this, and now in effect even. So let's divide top by 2, bottom by 2, just to tidy up the fraction. So 2 ligers divided by 2 would be 1 liger. Okay, so it would be this pi A squared. Remember, this is our liger here. This, you're going to get 1 liger. When you have 2 ligers, you divide by 2, you're going to get 1 liger. And then over 2. Yeah, sorry. Because 4 divided by 2 is 2. So in effect, if you look at this here, this is the area of the whole circle divided by 2 in effect. Because if you look at this here, if you get this, add this together, it's basically half of a circle. Because this is one part, this is the other part, it's basically half of a circle. So in effect, you're working out the whole circle, and then you divide it by 2, which is what's going on here. You can see that here. Work out the whole circle. Remember, pi A squared is a whole circle, divided by 2. That's the same as getting this and and merging with this, it will create a semicircle like this. See? So that's just like working out the whole area of the circle and then dividing it by 2. So when you merge these two fractions together, it actually becomes, so to tidy up, it will be pi a squared over 2. We're merging these two together, and then remember we've got to add it to the rectangle here. So this whole thing here is the same as this. You can see this is a lot neater. This thing is a lot neater. But we can take it further. At the moment we've got one bit adding another bit. Let's merge the two together into one fraction. So at the moment, take this down, and then use a trick here to turn AB into a fraction. Now times top and bottom by the same thing, by 2, so that we can add this fraction to this fraction. Okay, so this one would be pi a squared over 2 plus 2ab over 2. Okay, because look, get this times this times this, and now and now the two denominators are the same, so you can merge them together now. Pi a squared plus 2ab. And then have a quick glance to see if you can simplify it. Here you've got here is a Liga. Okay, here is an alligraph. So the two are different. You can't merge them together. So you just have to leave it as it is. Okay, you can only merge an alligraph with an alligraph, or a Liga and a Liga, because these are two different entities. You can't merge them together. Okay, this one here. How would you work out the area of this whole shape here? This whole, well, all the way around here. So we'll come up with a formula. All you're given is AB. Okay, it is possible to come up with the area for everything. For the yeah. So press pause and think about it. Remember, if this from here to here is B, then this must also be B. This must also be B. Okay. So from here to here is also B. If this is B here, this must also be B. Okay. All right. So press pause and have a go. So let's deal with these 4 parts here first. Okay, we could do pi a squared over 4 for this part, pi a squared over 4 for this part, and if you add them all, okay, let's do it then. This part here will be pi a squared. This part will be, sorry, over 4. This part will be pi a squared over 4. If you add the 4 together, it would be pi a squared over 4 plus pi a squared over 4 plus pi a squared over 4 plus pi a squared over 4. Now all the entities, all the denominators are the same at the bottom. So that would be 4, and then you've got Liga here, Liga here, Liga here, Liga here. So that's 4 Ligas. Okay, 4 Ligas. For a square like that. Okay, because this is your Liga here. And now you can see you can divide top and bottom by 4. Okay, so that basically this becomes this pi a squared, because the two 4's kill off each other. So well, okay, let's do it. So 4 Ligas divided by 4 gives you 1 Liga, and then 4 divided by 4 is 1. Now Liga divided by 1 is just a Liga. So if you add up all these together, it's the same as you working out the area of a circle. Because if you think about it, here, one part here, one part here, and one part here, and one part here. So this is the same as you working out the area of the circle. You can see that here. Okay? So hang on. So these 4 parts here, 1, 2, 3, 4, is given by pi a squared. Okay? So remember that. So this is our four circular parts here. Remember that. Okay? So the area is given by that. Now this is A, this is B. So the area of this part here would be AB. And then this is also AB. So basically you get A here and then you times B. So the area is AB. Okay? And this area is AB and this is AB. Okay? So the 4 long rectangles would be 4AB. Okay? Let's say we're going to make up some symbols. Let's say 4 of that, and then 4 of the rectangle things. Basically I'm rotating these 2 horizontal to become this. Okay, so remember this part here. You can make up your own symbol. It's just for me to remember. So you come up with anything you want, and then now we've got the central part here. Well, this is B, and this is also B. Then this must be B squared because the area of this is this times this. Okay, then it must be B squared. So altogether, so the big area bit will be B squared here. Now you just have to add all these 3 together. Okay, so A total, well, just use A for the time being. So here it would be this would be pi A squared, pi small a squared. Remember, small a is different from big A. Plus 4AB, plus 4AB, and then you have to add it to this, plus B squared. Now have a quick glance to see if you can simplify. Here you've got a liger, here you've got an alligraph, here you've got I don't know, hippopede, whatever. I don't know. They're all different, so you can't merge the 3 together. So you just have to leave it as it is. So it's this plus 4AB plus B squared. If there's another AB somewhere around here, then you can merge this with this one here. But because there isn't, because all these are different, all the entities are different, you can't merge them. Okay? So our formula for this shape here, this complicated shape here, it is possible to work it out. So here the formula is given by this. Okay?